Hi, today I want to let you know why you should buy this one Magic cable with Touch ID. So today on this video we will be talking about this new Apple Magic cable with Touch ID. If you are interested, just stay with me and let me show you. First I will open the box to show you what you can expect inside this little box. Wow, it's opening like chocolate. And here we have our keyboard. If you have before Apple keyboard, so you know, okay, the design is the same. There's nothing changed here. The most important right now is really ton of books. It's going to be more and more, I don't know why, but they provide more informations. And we have new cable. This charging cable is different because this charging cable is USB-C right now, and this is not only what I can tell you about this cable, because now also you have fabric on it. Okay, this is no more plastic, it's just fabric, and this is cool because this cable will definitely long lasting for us. We can use it much longer than the silicone one, the previous version. What is new in this keyboard is this port. It's USB-C now. Here you have the same way, turn off, turn on. And definitely what is the newest here is here on the corner. I'm sure that most of you guys know what is this extra new button here, or it's a scanner. This is Touch ID, which means is fingerprints. Thank you to that, you can use this to just by touch unlock your computer or authorize payment using just your fingerprints. These fingerprints will authorize, you can save up to 5 fingerprints from your hands. Can be from right, can be from left, can be mixed. It's up to maximum 5 anyway. And thank you to that, you can make easier and faster transactions or control your computer. Also, this Touch ID will let you to lock and as well unlock your computer. I was thinking if this Touch ID is the same like in the iPhones, when really working sometimes hard and don't recognize our fingerprints, and finally they're asking for password. So I decided to test this one, and I test this one, and it's really working amazing. While you just touch, in the few seconds will unlock, and if you really want to purchase something, apps or pay for something, in the few seconds will recognize your fingerprints. It's very fast working and smooth, and honestly I never had any problem with this Touch ID. So there is big improvements with the technology there, how it works and how recognize your fingerprints. This keyboard is amazing, guys, and I know that you watch it and it's a lot on YouTube videos about this one, but on this channel you will always find something new, more information about, because I never copy anyone from YouTube or any other. So if you like that, don't forget to click like and subscribe button. If you did, thank you very much. So definitely I will be happy to provide you more information about different devices in the future. Okay, we have done my marketing strategy, so now we can go back to the subject and talk about this keyboard, what you should definitely know before you will purchase. And the first important is the compatibility, because this one is a little negative points of view from me, because it's working only with M1 computers. I just wanted to tell you that this will not work with your new M1 tablet in 100%. You can use the keyboard without the Touch ID. Regarding the computers M1, if you have M1 computer, this gonna work. If you have old or without M1 processor, definitely this Touch ID again will doesn't work, will just work this keyboard. Maybe will be upgrades, because I think so this is just software and this is gonna work, but for now Just be careful if you were gonna to order for your computer, if you don't have M1, check on Apple Store compatibility always for this kind of cables if it's working with your device. If you want to go, just wait for a second, because now I wanted to tell you why you should buy this one, this Diamond Magic keyboards. Diamond is my name because it's really big improvements. I just wanted to tell you that there is no on the market Diamond keyboard, okay? This is Diamond because it's really working like a diamond. There is big improvements in terms of how it's smooth, of course, how working, high precision working this fingerprint reader. And also what is the best here is there is no any interruptions with connection with your devices, so you don't have any problems that when you're typing that will stop or working, or will be looking for device. No matter which M1 device you will connect to, it's really working smooth. And as well, here you have the port, new port, right, USB-C. Well, this keyboard you can charge with extremely fast. I was charging basically today, just like 15 minutes before I start to record this video for you, what I'm doing right now. And believe me or not, I charged to full. Okay, but they really stopped working. It was like zero battery. I just connect for 10 minutes and the battery was really 100%. I didn't believe it, you know. I was just checking like, really, it's already done? I just connected, it's like no time, 10 minutes and the battery was full. So it's also very big improvement for the battery in this little keyboard. So what I'm trying to tell you, with this price which offering Apple for this little light amazing keyboard, you can really spend on it and you will be satisfied. I'm very happy from it. And today I just wanted to tell you that this one is recommended for everyone who using computer with M1. If you have specific question about this keyboard, definitely comment below. I will answer to you as soon as possible. And if you have a little bit more time, I would like to invite you to my another video you should see here. There is more video with product reviews. Maybe thank you to that you will find another good product which on the market which you like. I also recording videos when it's so big promo. So some of this video there has also in the description link to the discounts, even 50-60%. That's why it's worth it if you were subscribed, so you can be first and you can purchase something cheaper. Thank you very much once again, and just click and see you in next video.